Hi, Becky and Robert. My name is Jeff, and I am a co-founder of Logo Leads. And Becky, I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for Chambers Electric. Since you don't have a website for your business, I wanted to send you a quick video to show you your competition, what they're doing as far as digital marketing goes, and how having a digital marketing presence can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when trying to gain new customers. So the three things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Again, since you don't have a dedicated website for yourself, I went ahead and just pulled up one of your competitors, Mr. Electric. As you're familiar, they are I believe they're a national conglomerate that just go into each various city and just hire, essentially contract out electricians and other types of service workers. But this is going to be your content here, all that text there, any images, how the images again are saved. Google reads through all that to pick out keywords and decide if you are worth showing to people who are searching it. Now, to be considered authority, which is what you want in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at keywords like electrician Amarillo, Texas, Amarillo electricians, and other keyword phrases that way, whenever people search that, that is what ends up coming up on Google, and your name is the first thing that pops up. That's the end goal. So this is where a customized business website would really shine, because not only can you target those keywords, you can include things like customer testimonials, links to your social media pages if you have any, pictures of projects, or anything to just grab the attention of your site visitor. The next thing I wanted to go over is backlinks. The thing with Google is it can be for a popularity contest, because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. So it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. And what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services, something that has to do with the services that you offer. You're going to have much more influence from that, as opposed to like a Domino's Pizza or a Macy's department store that have little to no relevance to the type of services that you offer. So a tool we use to measure your backlinks is something called Ahrefs. And what it does is you plug in the URL of the website you're wanting to search, and it spits out this data right here. So what you can see is for Mr. Electric from Amarillo, they have 115 backlinks from 19 different referring domains. So that's 19 different websites that are referring back to Mr. Electric. And what that's doing is it's driving about 20 people to their website, and this is on a monthly basis. After doing some research, it looks like the potential for acquiring more traffic to your website is actually a lot higher than that. If you actually do like a Google search for electrician Amarillo, Texas, there's about 150 people per month on average that are searching for that service, and it's a very high buyer intent keyword. So the potential to have over 100 people visiting your site on a regular basis, and that's again just for electrician services. They can type in many different types of keywords, and that would be driven to your website to possibly convert them into new customers. Now, a strategy we employ and what we tell our clients to do is to go in, take a look at these backlinks, because we can see the specific backlinks that a company has, or a website has rather, and we just replicate them, and then we add to them with high quality backlinks, again from those industry specific blogs, web pages, things like that. So that way you build your credibility, and then you're also ranking higher in Google. And so, yeah, we would go in, replicate them, and then we'd add an extra, 20 to 30% cushion to make sure that you stay on top. And then you actually just keep on adding backlinks at that point. And by the time that your competition even realizes what's happening, it's too far gone. It's too late in the game. And as long as you keep on adding backlinks, you'll stay in the top. Last thing I want to talk to you about is something called citations. They are very important because if someone wants a service right now, they're going to go to Google, they're going to search it, and then they're more than likely going to pick one of the top ones that pops up. So again, for searching, if I can spell it right, electrician Amarillo. This little spot here that pops up, this is going to be called a Google Map Pack, and this is where you would want to show up. As you can see, Mr. Electric is up there, and essentially this is one of the most heavy digital real estate items out there. Again, it's called the Google Map Pack, and what you do is, in order to get into that, is you get listed as a citation. So online directories like Yelp, Home Advisor, Porch, all those different ones, white pages, yellow pages, as long as you have your business name, address, and phone number listed in there, that counts as a citation. And the more of those that you have, the more that the higher up you will rank, and eventually you'll penetrate this top 3. And again, something like 70% of people end up clicking this first one because they associate that with, okay, well, they're the top one there. Google must think that they're the best, and that might not always be the case. So that's going to be it for the high-level view of the benefits of having a website and digital marketing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Megan. Otherwise, we hope that this video has brought you some value, and hope you have an excellent rest of your day. Thanks for watching.